Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to do the big head effect. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our effects panel. You're going to type in spherize. I'm going to drag that onto our clip. We're now going to go to our effects control. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the stopwatch for center of sphere. As you can see here, you can see the little circle has just appeared. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to position it on the nose of my subject. That's going to be my first keyframe. And then I'm going to press the shift and the right arrow key to move 5 frames. And I'm going to adjust my centosphere on the subject's nose. And I'm going to repeat this process all the way through. I'm going to speed up the video now until we get it done. Once you've done all of that, you're going to go over to radius and you're going to increase the size. Let's just put in 500. I want it more than that, so I'm going to go higher. Let's go 800. And yeah, that looks more about right to me. So if I just play the video from the beginning, that's what it looks like. What I'm going to do next, just to make it a bit more cleaner, because obviously you can see behind it, the trees in the distance are wobbling and moving up and down. So I'm going to try and create a mask around it so that it's less visible, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my mask tool here and I'm going to create an ellipse mask. I'm going to drag this up, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and make the circle a bit smaller just so that it's not so big, just a little bit around the shape of the head. I'm going to create a keyframe and I'm going to follow my subject. Just making sure that this mask tool is constantly in the middle. I'm just going to speed it up. Once this is done, I'm going to increase my feather and this will help blend it in, as you can see. So I'm probably going to keep it around the 150 mark. And there you go, my people. This is how you do the big head effect in Premiere Pro. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.